Loading on YouTube slowly. Okay, we're now live on YouTube. Okay, so then. Okay, can we get Natasha Morgan in front of the screen? Can you tell the deputies to put Natasha Morgan in front of the screen? Thank you.
And the bench is muted, Terry.
Unmute the bench, please.
Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, Miss Morgan, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you
Yes,
swear,
sir.
do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Thank you. Put your hand down.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to share my screen with you. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is your name Natasha Morgan?
Yes, sir, it is.
The same Natasha Morgan, who in this cause number 717-568, who stands charged with the offense of assault, excuse me, causing bodily injury. Is that you?
Yes, sir, that was me.
This case is a Class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Looking now on my screen at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you have signed it. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I did. Yes, sir.
And did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I do.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir, I am, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm looking now on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it. When you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I do. Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of assault causing bodily injury, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, Your Honor.
And did anybody force you to enter this plea?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Anybody promise you anything in order to make you enter this plea?
No, sir, Your Honor.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, Judge. State is asking for a $0 fine, court costs, 28 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms. Silver? Ms. Silver?
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
And Ms. Morgan, do you agree to this?
Yes, sir, Your Honor. Hold on a second, Your Honor. There's people walking around. Okay, go ahead, sir.
Okay, so then, Ms. Morgan, the court having heard your plea of guilty, on that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for the time served, time and money run concurrent. Judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today, ma'am. Okay?
Yes,
Can't
sir.
tell you exactly when that'll be, but it'll be sometime today. Good luck.
You have good holidays, okay? You and the DA, and thank you, sir. God
Take
bless you.
care. Stay out of trouble.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
You can be excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
I was gonna check with Terry, Judge, if they had Miss Chavez's client. I don't know if you want to ask them.
Do I ask the deputies or
Terry or the deputies,
anybody?
anybody?
Well, Terry's not there in front of her screen and neither are the deputies.
It's.
Deputy,
Hernandez-
Terry,
Hernandez
anybody?
Meridian.
No one ever pays attention to me, you know?
Mhm.
I'm listening, Judge.
Yeah, we're listening.
Yeah.
What do you mean? Yeah.
We're
Don't
not as
yeah,
important,
yeah.
apparently.
I
The
guess we're not enough, Miss Stevens.
You're
I
not
guess
important.
we're not.
I have to defend that.
I feel like I just walked into trouble.
Yes. probably did. All right, and Mr. Arnett, I'm seeing paperwork out of Randy Williams on my screen. So I'm assuming
That is
that you're
correct,
ready
Judge.
on that, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, now let me see if I can get at anybody's attention other than the prosecutor and the probation. Hey, can we get them to put Arnett's client, Randy Williams, in front of the screen? And do we know if we have, oh, well, never mind. Arnett, can we get Arnett? I mean, not Arnett, Williams. Can we get Williams?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Williams, can you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. All right, I am about to share my screen with you.
Yes, sir.
You see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Randy Williams?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Randy Williams when this calls number 606-612, who's charged with the offense of racing on the highway?
Yes, sir.
I believe this case is a class B, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you've signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. We don't have to do it in open court. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you've signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of racing on a highway, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, sir.
And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides any kind of plea bargain that your lawyer got for you? Besides that, anyone promise you anything in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state that please recite it? Is
Yes, Judge. State is asking for a $0 fine, court cost, 15 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied.
that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Arnett?
Yes, it is, Judge.
And do you agree to this, Mr. Williams?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Williams, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court does find you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 15 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, then you should be released sometime today. Can't tell you exactly when that'll be, but it should be sometime today.
Thank you,
Good luck.
Judge. Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a great day.
Take care.
All right, Judge, thank you very much. I will talk to the County Court 12 prosecutors about Haley Gutierrez this morning, and I can send either Teresa or I can send the whole group or whoever wants it an email with an update on it.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you,
Okay.
Ryan.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Arnett. Thank you.
You guys have a good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I've got Aaron Sanchez's paperwork on my screen. Good morning. Oh, the dreaded interpreter is here. Oh,
I'm
no.
here. I'm here. for
Leaving, I'm
you.
leaving. Okay.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Jaren Sanchez, is he a Spanish speaker, Ms. Corby?
No, Judge.
Okay. And I don't know why Arlene's
She's
here,
here-
but
she's
I'll
here
deal with
for
her.
Murillo Hernandez, Judge.
Okay. Okay. Can I get Jaren Sanchez on front of the auxiliary court bench camera,
Yeah,
please?
come here, Darren. On the way, Judge.
Okay.
Just let you know also, Mr. Montanes, Jose,
Uh-huh.
he speaks English, so we're probably gonna need the interpreter just for Hernandez Murillo.
Okay.
Judge, can I get the cause number on this next case?
On this Sanchez case? Yeah, it's 717-625.
Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Sanchez, can I ask you to raise your right hand?
Talk loud.
You swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Sanchez, put your hand down. I want to ask you to speak up just a little bit louder, okay? So we can hear you. Let me, hold on. I'm about to share my screen with you. You see the screen?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, a little bit louder, Mr. Sanchez, please. All right? Is your name Jaren Sanchez?
Yes, yeah.
Are you the same Jaren Sanchez who in this cause number 717-625, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass of property? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case, you could be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video, and you've signed it. When you signed this document, you told me that it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Right. Yes, sir.
Mr. Sanchez, I'm going to ask you, please, louder, okay? We got to be able to hear you.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. And so it's okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Right. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights, and you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
And did your attorney explain it to you?
Yeah.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Are you a citizen of this country?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, and you have signed it. And when you signed this document, what you did was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal in the future. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Contest.
Okay, and you understand that on a plea of no contest, the court can still find you guilty.
Yes, sir.
You understand that?
Yeah.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, anyone promised you anything in order to get you to do this?
No.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Could I ask the state to please recite it?
Yes, Judge. State is asking for a $0 fee, court cost, 28 days in the Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, and we ask the court finds the judgment has been satisfied.
That's your understanding of the plea bargain, Ms.
Yes.
Corby?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you agree to this, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, then, Mr. Sanchez, the court having heard your plea of no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I do follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 28 days. Oh, that's wrong. Hold on. $0 fine plus court costs. 28 days in the Bexar County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent, and the judgment is satisfied. If this is the only case holding you, you should be released sometime today. Okay? Good luck to you, sir.
Judge, my initials are F Stevens. I noticed that you put L Stevens on.
Oh, I
there.
put because I thought I heard Alicia. Oh, Lisa. Felicia. Okay, I'm sorry.
No,
I'll
you're
change-
fine. I just wanted to let you know.
No. I need to be corrected almost all the time. Okay.
May I
I'll-
excuse, Your Honor? Karen Corby.
Yes, Ms. Corby.
Just maybe excuse.
Oh, no, we want you to stick around and have fun with us all morning long. Yeah, you can be
All
excused.
right,
Appreciate it.
I'm game. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, what have I got next on the hit parade here?
Ms. Chavez is out of her breakout room, Judge.
Okay, Ms. Chavez, are you ready on your client?
Yes, I talked to him. I'm still waiting for the plea documents from the DA. And this is my first time taking a plea on Zoom. So I don't know if my client needs to sign too. Is that I'm trying to figure out.
Okay, that's what you should be doing. You should be going over this with him. Teresa?
Yeah, the documents are at docs, DOCS at alonzolaw.com. I sent you a reminder this morning. That's where you find the paperwork. Are we playing on both cases? Because I'm going to send you a
Yes.
reminder
Yes, we are.
on both. Okay. Yes. Do you see a reminder at the top of your email, Ms. Chavez, at the docs?
I don't have access to that email
Ah.
address, but I can get them retrieved to me. You said you send them to docs at Alonso?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
And I sent reminders already this morning, but I'm sending another reminder to the top of the emails on both documents, so they could be at the top of the email.
Okay. Then can I get back to the breakout room, Your Honor, to go over them with my client?
Yes, as long as you have them. Remember, you've got to be able to say that you went over them with him, that you explained them to him, and he understands them, okay?
Okay, yes, Your Honor.
I've
You
also
can
sent
move
you
yourself,
discovery
Ms.
acknowledgements
Chavez.
to your email, Ms. Chavez.
I'm sorry?
I sent you the discovery acknowledgements to your email.
Okay,
Yeah.
let me just check that. Let me check. I don't have those yet. It's Natalia Cha at Alonso Law. But
I'll
I don't
double
have
check,
it.
but I'm pretty sure it's where I sent it, but I'll double check.
Okay, thank you. I'll put my email on the chat box here, just so you have it too.
And you can move yourself back to one, Ms. Chavez, whenever you're ready.
I'm sorry, what was that?
You can move yourself back to room 1 with your client whenever you're ready.
See a button that says room 1, go ahead and go to that room. That's where your client will be.
I don't see any room 1.
No, you go back, you go to the more, look at the bottom of your
3
screen.
dots at the bottom of your screen,
Oh my gosh.
says more.
And then you're able to move yourself back to
Oh, to
one.
jump breakout room, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 1. Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
ma'am. Whenever you're ready, yes.
Okay, thanks.
Judge, I haven't been able to get a hold of Forrest Good, Judge. Email, text, sent messages. How long would you like to wait, Judge?
Is he appointed or retained?
He's appointed, Judge. His client is an English speaker with no holds, Judge.
Let's see if we can get somebody else to cover, if you don't mind.
Okay, you want me to find somebody? That's it? You want me to cut him off, Judge?
Yeah,
okay.
I mean, if he's not here,
Okay, he's not here, Judge. Okay, I'll find another attorney, Judge.
okay.
Judge, do you want to turn off YouTube in the meanwhile? You want to leave it on?
No, I want to say all sorts of inappropriate things. And I want
Ay, señor.